Today is Monday, and I had really hoped to have a finished Clement cannon poncho for you today. It is done with the crochet, and I'm just doing all the stitch work now. It's a beautiful thunderstorm outside with the rain. The birds are waking up, and that's a train in the background too. I'm going to do my stitch work this morning with a mug of hot tea, and yes, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Enjoy your day, everybody. Enjoy nature. I love summer thunderstorms. Take care, everybody. We'll see you on Tuesday. A July morning thunderstorm. Temperature is going from 85 degrees to 77. These are my favorite types of morning. A mug of hot tea and my crochet. Tuesday, July 18th. This is Lisa from Pine Notes. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to my videos. I'll be back with more crochet and maybe another thunderstorm soon.